Prepare yourself to have your certainties shaken. You're about to dive into a cosmic mystery surrounding 3I Atlas, a celestial object that defies every conventional explanation. Is it just an asteroid, a comet, or something far beyond our understanding? The answer, as we will see, is far more complex than it seems. 3I Atlas, nicknamed the Celestial Bolide, is not just a peculiar object, but an enigma that intrigues scientists and enthusiasts worldwide. Its orbit, its velocity, and especially its ability to alter its trajectory defy the very laws of physics as we know them. Imagine a tortoise perched atop a tree. Naturally, it didn't get there on its own. Someone placed it there. That is 3I Atlas, an object that appears out of place, occupying a position and path that no natural celestial body should. The planets in our solar system orbit the Sun along a nearly uniform plane known as the ecliptic. Yet 3I Atlas emerged on that very same ecliptic, an event astronomically unlikely for any natural object. This strongly suggests interference, a manipulation of its course, something that doesn't fit within the randomness of the universe. What happened next will astonish you. The mystery goes beyond its orbit. 3I Atlas also displays unexplained changes in speed and direction, as if it were being controlled, guided by an unknown force. And what if it were a craft, carefully steered here, exactly as though a space engineer had charted its course? As extraordinary as that hypothesis may sound, it is supported by numerous observations and analyses. Images captured by the Hubble telescope revealed something even more astonishing. 3I Atlas emits its own light. Celestial bodies normally reflect sunlight. Producing light of their own suggests an internal energy source, something unheard of in asteroids or comets. The evidence points to an artificial origin, challenging everything we believe about life and the universe. NASA's silence is deafening, amplifying the mystery. When programming the James Webb Telescope to capture updated images of 3I Atlas, the agency chose not to disclose the results, fueling speculation and conspiracy theories. Why hide the information? What are they afraid of? Do they know something they don't want us to know? Should we be worried? What will happen when 3I Atlas disappears behind the Sun this November? Will that period of invisibility bring us closer to the truth, or leave us even more lost in speculation? 3I Atlas may be only the tip of the iceberg, one of many unidentified objects traveling through our solar system. Throughout history, records of sightings of unidentified objects, once called UFOs, now UAPs, have become increasingly common. Technology advances, and governments can no longer conceal the truth the way they once did. And once again, the haunting question remains: why? Why such government opacity surrounding the subject? Why is information so scarce, so carefully controlled? NASA, in its long history of omissions, has already been accused of destroying images that revealed inconvenient information, an effort to bury the truth. Yet with so many telescopes and space agencies monitoring the skies, complete concealment is now impossible. Still, information is leaked in subtle ways to prevent panic and social disorder. In 2005 and 2006, a U.S. senator denounced NASA's destruction of photographs, which led to the approval of a law requiring the agency to release certain images, albeit blurred and manipulated. Despite efforts to control the narrative, truth, like a comet, eventually shines through the fog of disinformation. There are no easy answers, but perhaps we stand at the crossroads of a massive reality check. Our inability to handle the truth is terrifying. What will happen when we can no longer ignore the evidence? What will happen when 3I Atlas finally reveals its secrets? Should we prepare for a world completely different from the one we imagined? Is there a deliberate manipulation of data to hide the truth? Could 3I Atlas be the prelude to a greater event, something that will forever change our understanding of the universe? What will happen when 3i Atlas vanishes behind the sun in the coming months? In the face of all this, one certainty remains. The search for truth continues. Share your opinion in the comments. What do you think about 3i Atlas? Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content about the mysteries of the universe. Share this with your friends, and together, let's uncover the secrets the cosmos is hiding.